So, we got the yellow 79 in the shop.
Yeah, I just brought it in. We're going to do touch-ups like this.
Yeah.
We'll take this off, take the fuel tank off, and fix this.
Yeah.
With kitty hair.
Yeah.
And a little bit of touch-up here and there.
Okay. You've already done the oil change and transmission fluid change?
Yeah, that's done.
Okay.
And stuff like this, eh? We'll grind this out and refix it. This one here, see, nice job they made.
Yeah.
It's 4 hinges in each one, eh?
Yeah.
So this kind of stuff. Other than that, it's just like new yet. Eh?
So this is the 79. We thought originally it was an 81, but one of the collectors there out in Quebec actually sent us the details on this. So this is the first one made in 79, and they only made 25 in 79, none in 1980, and only 10 in 1981. So this is the 35th last Bombardier ever made, and tentatively sold. We got an offer. It's got to reconfirm here with the owner and the buyer.
We have to talk to the owner.
And but the current owner wants to see it touched up paint here.
Wants it just like new.
And so the new guy doesn't have to do anything here. And the skis are, Daisy, get out of the way. The skis are selling with this as well. Somebody asked about the skis.
The skis are rebuilt.
And the skis are rebuilt, and there's a bunch of other spare parts that are going with this. So a lot of guys were asking about the price. The reason we didn't post the price, guys, and we wanted you to contact us was that's the business of the current owner and whoever buys it. It's not our business to go on a video and tell people what the cost of this thing is, but the potential customer here, we might have a deal going so that the current owner and this guy can come up with a deal. But Dad wants to see all these little paint jobs fixed before it goes. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful machine for somebody to run around in. And
ideal for hauling fish.
Yeah.
You can tell with the interior.
Yeah, with all the new car smell in there and everything. So
you can tell it's ready for fish.
Yeah, fishing or whatever you guys want to do.
Throw some tubs of fish in there.
Yeah. So Dad's got it in the shop just to warm everything up. It's
the body man's coming tomorrow.
Body man's coming tomorrow, and the cat is awfully excited that a new Bombardier's in the shop. Hey, kitty.
Yeah.
He's looking at his treat container here. And there's Nina Pinta Santa Maria. And yeah, keep you guys, excuse me. Keep you guys informed of what's going on here. Are we almost at the shop? Alright, let's see how many dogs we have this morning.
I see 3.
Oh, geez, they're at the rock. They're that hungry. Usually at the gate. Holy shit. Maybe Dad forgot where the turnoff was.
Yeah. Gee.
Alright, we'll see the action here. Oh my God, my dad. These are some hungry dogs. Dad, hurry up.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, it's painful, eh? Painful.
Yeah, your dog's right full of burrs.
Yeah, I'll brush her out.
Stomach. Okay, Jesus. Lead dog there. that.